Everyone and welcome. Wait, no, you can see how much ruins they have. 2,128. This means it's time to get the twin stack. Belgium. Finally. Finally. Yes. I have too much wood. Now let's just get this. Put it like this and then screenshot. So beautiful. Boom. Level 6. Okay. How much time? Okay, that's too much. Let's see what dragons can we buy. Expensive. But hit Iggy Pen Sneak. To get the sneaky. No, no. Complete for 696. It's completely. Something completely. Let's see how much do we need. 1,000. Why? Take the triple. Hmm. We have space. Let's move some dragons up. Start with the ghost charger. Here. Then the sea sugar. There. Then the scorpion. Because he eat the sea sugars. Here. Here. So only I can get max dragons 30 always. Hmm. Let's move this to here. Move this here now. We have extra space here. Um, Oops. Move the spoon napper to this area. Other one to this area. Strike last. Strike. The strike. The only last thing that I don't have from the strike class, you have three skills. Spender, rare and the unique. The only one is, of course, the Night Fury. You know, there's another strike class, but about the Night Fury, what don't I recall your name? No, no, and F. Just because of Toothless. Maybe if I call him N2. Tooth. Nah, no. ساير لوحده. Yeah, this is for another one. طيب